It has occurred to me that our young people, most of them do not know how to apply for these cruise ship jobs. And to be honest, hizi ni kazi zile tunaitanga low hanging fruits zenye you can apply, then you can apply as many as you wish, na utapata these jobs ziko so many types. Kuna all careers, kuna nursing, kuna barista, kuna chef, kuna musician, kuna pastor, kuna imam. All these jobs are available in these websites. Once you look for jobs in cruise ships, you'll get them if you know how and where to look for them. Most of our people do not know that there are websites which require more than 1,000 people to work in cruise ships. So I have a website today yenye nitaonyesha how to apply for these jobs, because now you see, like here, I hope you can see my cursor. You can either apply for onboard jobs or MC exploration journey jobs or others in the office. So you just come here and look for on board jobs. You can look for MSC cruise ship jobs. So you look for casinos. Like someone asked me about venye anaweza apply for kazi inaitwa Groupia. Groupia ni mtu mwenye huwa anasaidia watu kwa casino. So tunaweza angalia, for example, una click moja kama ya casino. I hope it takes her to it's a little bit slow, but wacha tuone kama itatupeleka. So you can apply for these jobs. Let's try. And as you can see, there are so many kinds of jobs. There are those people wenye inahitajika wafanye kwa bar, those wanahitajika wafanye kwa boutiques, others in culinary, dining service, entertainment, excursions, guest service, laundry, IT, housekeeping, hotel management, security. There is spa, there is yacht club jobs, there is engine officer, there is decking. There are so many jobs you can apply for. So you just come here. For example, we are looking for casino jobs, so you say you want to view our vacancies. Let's see what it will bring. So these jobs are so much in plenty, and there are still office jobs you can do. As you can see, you can look for office jobs like office administration, commercial, contact center, excursions and ground services, finance, hotel operations, human resources, IT, legal, marine, technical operations, marketing, communication, on board, revenue, procurement. There are so many jobs. So the one for we had searched for the casino is here. So you can see they require. Let me see. The casino. It seems like they don't have a job, but you keep checking. You can keep checking whether they have a job. So if you didn't get that, let's look. You come here. There is written vacancies. Una click, then you see what it brings again. Let's see. So these jobs are so much in plenty. It's just that we don't know how to apply for them. But with the proper guidance and someone who knows how to look for them, this is just an example of the many cruise ships which are recruiting. So you come here, you click again. Let's see what it will take us. It's taking some time. I don't know why. But basically, if you go
Hello.
to the website, you'll be if your internet is fast enough, you'll be able to see these jobs. It's just that my network is a little bit slow, but let's see, it's buffering. You can look for office jobs. Let's see the office jobs whether it's going, it's showing something.
My name is Selena. I'm come from
So guys, just go and apply for these jobs. Don't wait for manna to come from heaven, because jobs are there, opportunities are
Ukraine.
there. If
I've been
you
already
check
4 years
my
with
YouTube
MSC
channel,
company.
often utakuwa unaona na post jobs na post
I'm glad to
opportunities.
invite you
But
and
the good thing
MSC
with this
team
job is
and
that
MSC family.
you are able to travel into so many countries with because this company arranges for your visit visa. If they are going to dock in a certain country, they arrange for your visit visa. If they are going to stay there for maybe 1 week, they arrange for you that. So you don't need to strain. So my guy, people just go to this website, or you just go to Google, or you just write cruise ship careers. If you want to see this website I've opened, utaenda pale kwa MS careers, cruise ship careers, na uandike MSCC cruiseship.com, na utaona those jobs upate, then you'll be able to apply for them. So watu wangu wenye wamekuwa wakisema they are not getting jobs, just DM me, write a message there, and we'll see what we can get. I think it has opened, and we can try to look for one. So it has given us different categories: business area, department. You just come here and click the department which you want. It will bring a criteria of so many jobs. If it's, let's say you want to work in housekeeping, I like medical service. Let's say medical service. Let's see what it brings. I hope it is going to be fast enough. It might bring jobs related to nursing, related to the medical field. If it's doctors, if you are a laboratory technician, if you are an imaging technician, if you are a nurse, if you are these jobs, all these jobs, you'll find them here. So guys, and then you apply. Fungua your website. Ukikuwa stuck niambie, na ujue kutengeneza profile nzuri. It's just that internet yangu na misbehave leo, but jobs ziko, as you can see, and you can get them without having anyone to give you connections. You don't need connection. What you need is to have a passport. Make sure that you are vaccinated with the required vaccinations. Kama ni TB, you are vaccinated. Kama ni yellow fever, kama ni COVID-19, kuna vaccination yake. Utapata hizi jobs unazipata because they are low hanging. So let's say you want to get the job on the deck. Internet is quite slow, but it's showing something. So guys, don't say that there are no jobs. Jobs are there. It's just that we are not applying a lot. Keep applying, and you'll get these jobs without even any single connection. After you finish your degree in university, the next one you need to attain is your passport. Have your passport at hand. You'll become an international candidate because you can work in India, you can work in Dubai, you can work in whichever country you wish. So I'll still encourage you to apply for these jobs. Look far and wide. Subscribe to this channel. I'll be posting so many jobs and opportunities and study opportunities abroad, immigration, and such things. So guys, thank you and welcome.